Is it Evie's turn first?
You have your new magic coloring book over here you can play with.
No, I'll play with this one.
Baby sister's almost done.
Okay. Here you go first.
That's so nice of you, Annabelle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, good job. Look at you draw. Annabelle, let her play.
Hey, come see me, Annabelle.
No!
Hey.
I'm not going to see you. No! Don't talk to me.
Oh, somebody's sassy pants.
No!
I don't remember putting your sassy pants on this morning.
No!
I don't remember putting your sassy pants on this morning. Are those sassy pants?